Add 2 pinches of salt to boiling water. Blanch the spinach for about 1 minute. After a minute, remove the spinach and wash it twice in cold water, then drain. Squeeze the water out of the spinach. Add 2 pinches of salt and half a tablespoon of sesame oil and mix well. If using crab sticks, tear them into small pieces. You can also use a ham instead of crab sticks. Slice the pickled radish thinly. Then you slice the fish cakes as well. Slice the carrots thinly and then julienne them. Add about half tablespoon of oil to a pan. Add the carrots and a pinch of salt. Stir fry on high heat for about 1 minute. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add the fish cakes and stir fry for about 1 minute. Add a half tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey or corn syrup. Crack about 4 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. Add a little oil to preheated pan and spread it evenly with a kitchen towel. Pour the egg mixture and spread evenly. Cook on low heat for about 1 minute. Once the eggs are somewhat cooked, flip them over. Cook for about 30 more seconds and then let it cool in a plate. Cut the egg in half, then cut again into thin slices. Put about 1 bowl of rice in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and half a tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well. All the kimbap ingredients are ready. Spread a little rice on the rice paper and spread it evenly. Place a little bit of each kimbap ingredient on the rice. Fold the end over the ingredients and roll up until the end. Brushing sesame oil on the surface makes it tasty and prevents the kimbap from sticking together. It remains tasty and has a good texture even later. Let's slice it. The shape is also very pretty. Wow, this is a new kimbap flavor.